Hello everyone, welcome to my class with essay. Our topic for today is sound. Mm, mm, mm. This sound is described as voiced bilabial nasal. Voiced bilabial nasal. The spelling symbols representing this sound are letter M as in man, milk, mat, sleep, calm, palm, balm, blame, claim, frame, and so on. Next, MB as in bomb, comb, dam, climb, plum. So remember when we treated the sound B, B. So these words are under silent B. Okay, so the B is silent in these words. Do you understand? So next, MM as in grammar, summary, immune, and so many other words containing this sound. I hope you've learned a thing or two from this class. And don't forget to follow me, watch this video from beginning to end, and learn. Okay, like, comment, and share. Thanks, and God bless you. Bye.